Welcome to the second video about stem and leaf plots. Our goals for this video are to interpret and analyze data represented in stem and leaf plots. Before we get started, let's review how to find the mean and how to find the median of a data set. So remember that the mean is also known as the average, so you're going to add your numbers, then you're going to divide by however many numbers there are. Data. So I'm going to add on the side over here 5 plus 3 plus 11 plus 9 plus 16 plus 10 plus 2. And I get a total of 56. And I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And I know that 56 divided by 7 is 8. And always do a quick check, is my answer for mean somewhere in the middle of these numbers? And yes, 8 would be inside these numbers if I were to graph this or something like that. So I know that that makes sense. The median, remember that you have to first order your numbers, least to greatest. Then we're going to find the middle value. So 2 is my lowest number, followed by 3. I'm just going to mark them off as I write them down so I know I didn't leave anything out. 5, then 9, then 10, then 11, and then 16. And now I'm going to mark off the lowest, the highest, the lowest, the highest, the lowest, the highest, and my median is 9 because it's the number in the middle. So let's talk about how to interpret data in a stem and leaf plot. So you can determine many different things. One of those things is the range. And the range means the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. In this case, it's the heaviest and lightest pet. So the heaviest pet is 54 pounds. The lightest pet is only 5 pounds. And so I'm going to find the difference. 54 minus 5 is 49. So the range of my numbers is 49 pounds. I can also find the median. Okay, you can either list them or you can find it this way. And so you, again, want to start with the lowest number and the highest number. Lowest, highest, lowest, highest. And you're going to keep going until you find that middle number. And I need to double check because I kind of lost track. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. Perfect. Okay. So my median is 25. Don't forget that the 2 is the tens place and the 5 is the ones place. It also divides our data into a lower half and an upper half. So everything below 25 is the lower half, everything above 25 is the upper half. We can also determine how many pets are represented in the data set. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pets. Okay, because there are 15 weights there. And then the mean, I just need to add up all of my numbers and then divide by 15 because there are 15 total pets. So I'm going to pause the video, add these up real quick, and you could even do the same. So after adding everything up, 5 plus 6 plus 11, 12, 15, 17, 18, 23, 25, 29, 30, 31, 42, 42, and 54, I got a total of 333. And when I divide that by 15, I get a mean of 22.2. And you can see that would kind of be right in the middle, so that does make sense. How many pets weigh between 20 to 29 pounds? So that's in this row right here. And there are 3 pets that weigh between 20 pounds and 29 pounds. So lots of different pieces of information you can find. So I challenge you to pause this video and see if you can answer this practice problem. This says people at a family reunion recorded in a stem and leaf plot the year they were born. How many people in the group were born before 1970? So that's going to be above this line here. So if you look, you can see somebody was born in 1969, 1965, and 1940. So that's a total of 3 people. Here's practice problem 2. Again, see if you can pause this video and try it. What is the mean of the data displayed in the stem and leaf plot? Round to the nearest tenth. And again, I'm going to pause the video and add this up. Okay, for my total, I got 561. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm going to divide by 19 because there are 19 pieces of data. And I get a mean of 29.52, but notice it says round to the nearest tenth, so my final answer is 29.5. This is the tenths place, and you always look back to see if it's less than 5, you leave it. If it's 5 or more, you raise this number up 1. So before you leave, make sure you feel like you can interpret and analyze data represented in stem and leaf plots. Thanks for watching.